Hello students, Mr. Murphy here, lesson 7, module 5. We're going to compare functions. We're going to find out what the function is and compare them from both a graph and a table. So you'll have to excuse some knocking. People are working in my house and sometimes they're hammering. All right, so we're comparing two people, Adam and Bianca. They're competing to see who can save the most money in 1 month. So we're going to look at the table and the graph to determine who will save the most money at the end of the month. And then we need to tell, so the question is asking us to state how much money each person had at the start of the competition. So we need to know where they start from, where they get to, who will make the most money at the end, right? So let's start with Adam. So Adam here is a nice straight line starting at 3. So 3 at the y-axis. So that's our intercept. So in our standard slope-intercept form of our equation, we know the b equals 3. Okay, so we've got a y equals something b. So now we need to know m is our slope. So we just go from 3, go up 3, and over 1, and we're back on the line. So that's a slope of 3 over 1, or just 3. So what does this mean? It means at the start of the month, Adam had $3 in his bank account or wherever, in his piggy bank, and he's making $3 per day. Okay? Bianca's savings, we don't know. Day 5, she had 17. Day 8, she had 26. Day 12, 38. So there's no rhyme or reason for this. So what I'm going to do is use the slope formula to figure out how much money she's making per day. So the slope formula is just subtracting 2 points, right? These are all x's, these are all y's. So I'm going to subtract 26 minus 17 over 8 minus 5. A slope is a ratio, so you subtract the y's on top, you subtract the x's on the bottom, because the y's are going up and down and the x's are going across. So basically, if we wanted to know how to go from here to here, we would subtract the y's, which would tell us the 3, and subtract the x's, which would tell us the 1. Right. So 26 minus 17 is 9. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 over 3 reduces to 3 over 1, or just 3. So we know she has a slope of 3, but we don't know the intercept. Now there's 2 ways to do the intercept. Right? We can just back this thing up to 0. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we're going by 3, so we're going to subtract 3. 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So I got to go all the way to 0 because that's my intercept. So this should be 2. The other way to check it is to put one of these points in for x and y. So my y is 17 and my x is 5. And then I just solve for b. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract 15 on both sides. We have 2 equals b. So this is 2. This showed me 2. You can do it any way you want. Bianca is earning money at $3 per day, and she starts at $2. Right? So they're both earning $3 per day, so they're earning the same amount of money. But Bianca started at $2, Adam started at $3. So Adam's going to win because he started with $1 more, and Bianca's just not catching up. All right? So that's what we're doing today. We're comparing graphs, tables, word problems to make equations or functions for all of these, and then comparing them.